Morning children, welcome back to our online science class. We started our lesson number 8, Animal Life Continue. Today we will revise the lesson. All living organisms after taking birth live on the earth for a certain period of time. They complete their life cycle and die. The time period from birth to death on an organism is called a lifespan. Some organisms live for a few days, some for a few months, and some live for a many years. All living organisms give birth to their young ones during their lifetime. They give birth to the young ones to continue their own kind on the earth. So they are giving the birth to continue their own kind. This process is called reproduction. So animals reproduce in two ways, by giving birth to their young ones, and number second is by laying eggs. Clear everyone? Animals reproduce in two ways. First one is by giving birth to their young ones, and second one by laying eggs. Animals that give birth to their young ones. Some animals give to their babies. Female animals give birth to their babies and feed them with their milk. Such animals are called mammals. They are caring about their babies. Mammals are carrying the baby. And mammals have hair on their body. So, cat, dog, and humans are all common example of mammals. Most mammals live on land, but there are some exception. A bat, although a mammal, can fly. Whales and dolphins are also mammals, but they live in water and they come out for breathing lungs. So they live in water and breathe through lungs. They swim up to the surface of the water to breathe in air. And they carry their baby also. So in mammals they called a parental care. Mammals mostly take great care of their babies. Their babies are developed and nourished in the mother's womb. Mothers are keeping their baby in stomach only, and the process of development ranges for a few weeks to several weeks. Their babies are weak and helpless at the time of the birth. So the mother take care of them. The mother feed her babies and keep them warm. The mother feed her babies and keep them warm. She protect them from enemies also. She take care till they grow, eat food and walk independently. So the young ones are brought up with a great care and love. In small time, we are also taking care of our child. Animals that lay eggs. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. They are called egg-laying animals. Birds, frogs, fishes, lizards, snakes, turtles, and mosquitoes and butterfly reproduce by laying egg. Birds take a hen's egg and clean saucer. When we are cracking the egg, covering of the egg called eggshell. Pour the inner contents of a saucer and observe. What you will see? White color slippery substance, that one is albumen, and yellow color is yolk. Now we study about the frogs. Frogs are amphibians, which means that they can live in water or on land. They go through several stages of life before they become adult frog. And during this stage, they live only in water. A frog being's life is a fertilized egg. A female frog lays a lot of eggs at one time in a pond. The eggs float on water in a jelly mass or cluster. So it floats in water only. The eggs will soon hatch into tadpoles. When tadpole hatches, it looks more like a fish than a frog. When it hatches, it looks like a fish. It does not have any legs, it has a gills that allow it to breathe underwater. The tadpole swim, eat plants from the water and grows for several weeks. Adult frog, the frog's tail will eventually disappear completely and it will start to eat insects. Instead of plants from the water, the young frog will grow for about 2 to 4 years to become an adult. The adult frog then lay their eggs and more tadpole hatch and begin the cycle again and again. So the frog breeds in rainy season in water bodies like ponds. The frog lay eggs, number of black colored egg called spawns. The egg develop into tiny fish like tadpoles. The tadpoles swim in water. They have gills to breathe. After some day, the tail of a tadpole disappears. Finally, a tadpole develops into a adult frog. This process of transformation is called metamorphosis. What do you mean by metamorphosis? Yes, the tail of the tadpole disappears. Finally, a tadpole develops into a adult frog. This process is called a metamorphosis. So, the frog has 3 phases in its life cycle: egg, tadpole, and adult frog. Now, children, I will ask some question. Why do animals reproduce? Yes, why do animals reproduce? Listen carefully. Animals reproduce to give birth to the young ones to continue their own kind on the earth. Yes, animals give birth to the young ones to continue their own kind on the earth. Yes, name 2 egg-laying animals. Everybody know egg-laying animal is bird, fish. Yes, bird and fish. Which animals give birth to their babies? Dog and cat. Yes, which animals give birth to their babies? Anybody? Cat and dog. Name the young one of name the young one of a frog. The young one of a frog is called a tadpole. Listen carefully. The young one of the frog is called a tadpole. Name the 3 stages in the life cycle of a frog. Yes, name the 3 stages in the life cycle of a frog: egg, tadpole, and adult frog. So you have to draw this life cycle of a frog in your science copy. When you will get the dictation word, question answer, that time activity you have to do life cycle of frog and color also. Okay? Yes, thank you children.